Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Docker desktop running and WSL2 or hypervisor enabled. Once done, sign into Docker Hub or prepare a local image so you can pull or run immediately. Now open Docker Desktop or your terminal. This is where you start the container. Use Docker pull image tag to download or skip pull if the image exists locally. Make sure the Docker engine shows healthy before moving on. Now you configure and start the container with intent. Run Docker run with D to detach and name to label it. Map ports like 8080, 80 so services are reachable. Make sure to mount volumes using V to persist data between runs, and use E to pass environment variables the container needs. If resource control matters, include memory and CPUS. Once the container starts, check logs and status so you know the service initialized correctly. To finish, verify the container is running with Docker PS and inspect runtime output with Docker logs my container. Then test the service via curl or a browser to the mapped port. If you need to clean up, stop and remove the container and optionally remove the image. If something goes wrong, check network mode and port conflicts, then make sure Docker Desktop has enough CPU and RAM allocated. Resolving those often fixes startup failures. Restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.